sheep heart. This is the visceral pericardium, which is a layer pericardium that is closely aligned to the heart wall. You got your apex, your right and left atria. So your right and your left. The right carries deoxygenated blood, and the left carries oxygenated blood. The right and left articles. This is the right auricle, and it is an ear-like flap that extends off the right atrium. The auricle increases the volume of the atrium and collects deoxygenated blood that pushes it to the right ventricle. The left auricle collects oxygenated blood from the lungs and pushes it towards the left ventricle. So you got your right and left ventricles. Intraventricular sulcus. It is a groove along the line where the right atrium and the left ventricle meet. It contains a branch of the right coronary artery, the pulmonary trunk, right here, number 6, okay, and then you got the aorta, which is right next to that, number 7. Pulmonary trunk, the blood is deoxygenated from the right ventricle to the lungs. The artery that carries venous blood from the right ventricle of the heart and divides it into the right and left pulmonary arteries. It is oxygenated. And then the aorta. It leaves the aorta, it travels throughout the body. The heart pumps blood from the left ventricle, down here, through the aortic valve. 3 leaflets on the aortic valve open and close with each heartbeat to allow one-way flow of blood. It is oxygenated. The ascending aorta, it's right here, number 8. The aortic arch is right above the aorta, so it curves, and then it's right above it, so it's right, it's number 9. And then you have the brachiocephalic artery, or this is the subclavian. The brachiocephalic is right next, brachiocephalic is right next to that, and the common carotid. Superior vena cava is it's right here. And then the inferior is down here. The coronary sinus, posterior portion of the coronary sulcus. The blood, it delivers deoxygenated blood to the right atrium, as do the superior and inferior vena cava. They are veins, and it carries deoxygenated blood.